Transgender, or trans, refers to anyone whose gender identity doesn't align with the sex that they were assigned at birth. Cisgender, or cis, refers to people whose gender identity aligns with the sex that they were assigned at birth. Pronouns are words that we use to refer to each other. Don't assume you know someone's pronouns just by how they look or their name. It's super helpful when cis people share their pronouns. It normalizes it, and it makes trans people feel more comfortable sharing their pronouns. If you get someone's pronouns wrong, just apologize, correct yourself, and move on. Drawing out the apology too long can be a little embarrassing for trans people. If you hear someone else using the wrong pronoun, correct them. A lot of trans people are uncomfortable correcting people, and it just takes a little pressure off of us. Everyone's transition is different. Whether people choose to go on hormones, or get surgeries, or the way they choose to present themselves, these things don't make them any more or less trans, and not any less deserving of respect.